Today's video is going to be as short and sweet as possible, which means these two are probably going to screw it up. Why is this every time? I'm serious. It's like they know. It's like they know something's going to happen, so they're saying, let's screw it up, so she has to refilm it. Hi, Reese boy. Welcome to my playlist about my face. Skincare 101 starts with this. I am not even halfway through, but I have committed and I feel so proud of myself. So let's get to it. The first step to committing to something is showing up. Welcome to my 31 days of trying to be pretty AF. So no makeup today, I took a break. Monday. I feel like I made a promise to myself a few Mondays ago that I was gonna wear makeup every day of the week, and it just has not happened yet. Let's get through this part first. My skin is so amazingly soft. That is the one thing that I have noticed starting this second week, is that these babies must be taking off something. Surprisingly, the wipe, you know those like alcohol wipes that are in the packs just like this? That's what it feels like. But it doesn't smell like that. Thank God, or I would not be able to use this on my face. If you've ever had a VI peel, you would, I don't even know where I was going with that. Oh, if you ever had a VI peel, the first step I feel like is when they pour like acid all over your face. This doesn't quite feel like that. This feels a lot less harsh, a lot more gentle, and a lot more fun. I am so feeling this thing. Feeling all of this. I want to make sure that I'm really hitting the top of my lip, which is why I need to stop talking. My chin has kind of broken out because I have decided to eat crumble cookies every day. If you've ever had crumble cookie, oh my God, it's addicting. If you've never had crumble cookie, you need to find your nearest location and go get some. I'm just gonna hit the top of my chest as high as I can with this shirt. I know not everybody likes to stare at cleavage, so I wanna try to just hit this good. This is a very easy treatment. It doesn't take a lot of effort. You just gotta show up. If you have followed me through every day so far, thanks. If you haven't and you're seeing this video for the first time, welcome to my home and my face in all natural stature, all natural. This one dried up really fast. This one really I feel like this wipe today didn't last very long. At all. Like it feels like it's really dry. It's like, where'd it go? Maybe it's like a little more wet inside this little pack. Oh yeah. So there's a little more kind of like product. It's not wet inside this, but it definitely had a little more stuff in there. So far, in my honest opinion, this facial peel is worth it. It's worth every dollar. It's gentle enough on your skin that I've been able to do it every single day and I'm not burned, I'm not broke out. Like, I just feel I feel clean, if that's a good word. Okay. Step 1. And then we're gonna jump right into step 2 today. Thanks for watching me wash my face. I'm on a mission to make sure this video is under 10 minutes. So, some of them have gotten a little long. That one feels a little bit today. I do want to make sure that I am using my toner spray when I'm done with this. I feel like since I started this, I've kind of left out a lot of the little things that I do every day, like my toner, my vitamin C serum. And I found a couple little samples of stuff in my makeup stash that I want to use. I'm on a mission to use up the little samples that you get at like Sephora and Ulta for 2 reasons. A lot of the samples are really good. Like this one. I started doing some research about different serums because the serum that I use is no longer made by Herbivore, and I went to link it in the video in the day before this, and it's now no longer made. I'm not sure why. So, Bacchuial, something like that. I will leave a link to the one that I'm gonna probably be using going forward in the description below. I really wanna know why they don't make it anymore. It was so good. Basically, Bacchuial is a like retinol alternative. It's not retinol. It has different properties, but I feel like from reading reviews that it's a lot more gentle on your skin. Sorry, I have palm trees all out in front of me and I just like stare at them like dreaming of vacation. Step 2 just feels so good. Feels really good. It almost feels like the lotion step, but it's not. I don't know. This is just like what is this called? The anti-aging step. I should know this by now. The anti-aging neutralizer is step 2. I have noticed that my skin is glowing. It's picking up the light right now. It's radiant. The texture is really smooth overall. I've noticed a little bit of the sun spots going down, but not anything drastic over the past few weeks of this. I'm really hoping that this one will fade a lot. And some of these scars that I have from picking up pimples. So that is going to be the true test. If it works, I will probably do another month of this. Not these videos. I will save you. I'll save you your precious time. All right, I need to hurry up. Okay, this wipe's pretty much dry. She dry. Since I've gotten these new hair ties, I've caught myself kind of like wearing them as bracelets. Even though today I'm kind of using my clip. I had this in my hair pretty much all day. Okay. You can feel when they dry up, and then you can feel when there's just like a little moisture left. It's like, get every part of this on my face. Okay, good enough. Woo, 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 woo. So I'm gonna let that sit for just a little bit, sink into my skin. And then what I wanna make sure that I'm doing is finishing off with my toner. I talked about toner spray in the video prior to this yesterday. And just giving you a heads up so I don't repeat everything that was said in that video. Make sure there's not alcohol in your toner and only in your glass. You're welcome. Toner is just something that I feel is just like this refreshing mist. Do I really know what this does? No. Do I use it? Yeah. This is a really cheap brand that is sold at the natural health food stores. It's a brand that I really like. It's a brand that I've bought numerous products from. It's the brand that I use that if I'm not gonna splurge, I go for this. As far as I know, it's a good natural brand. You'll have to do your research, but I will leave a link to this toner spray in the description below. Obviously, you can tell that I use it. There's nothing worse than people holding up empty or full brand new bottles of products that they do not use. This stuff lasts a long time. I've had this bottle for several months. And this is a new brand that I just found, and when I ordered stuff from Sephora prior to this, I wanted to try it. And then when I was Googling some stuff last night about new serums, this brand came up. So I'm just putting lotion on. Usually I like a serum, but samples are supposed to be used. So here we are. I want to make sure that I use it so I don't lose it. A lot of this stuff dries up. Beauty products are supposed to be used and enjoyed. This definitely is a really heavy lotion. But after that combination of the wipes and that, whew, I'm so smooth. So this is a little sample of the Biossance. It is a squalane and omega repair cream. Don't even know what that means, but it's lotion. Thanks for staying with me on another day of my skincare treatment. Glowing. Feeling it. I'm so yeah, it's making progress. Looking good. It's just so smooth. Hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up. And will someone please tell me I'm pretty?